Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add blogger in Instagram bio. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to add the blogger in Instagram bio, first of all what we have to do, we have to tap on these three lines that we have on the top right corner. And now we have to scroll down. First we have to search for account type and tools. So we have to tap on it. So now what we have to do, we have to tap on switch to professional account, tap on next. So from here, we will select the blogger category. So let's select the blogger here. Now we have to enable display on profile option. Now we can tap on switch to professional account. So I think we will go here with the creator. Let's just tap on next. Let's just tap on next again. Now we can set up our professional account by completing all the steps, but these steps are not required to have a blogger on our Instagram bio. So now we have to tap on the cancel icon, and now you'll be able to see blogger in Instagram bio. And this is how we can do this. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.